Welcome to the Digital Media Lab here at Hub350. I am here with the two founders of Kirality drones. Thank you very much for being here, Zainab and Mo.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time to share with us more about this awesome company. I am so excited to share more about what it is you guys do and how you've evolved as a company over the last few years. While the rest of us were trying to figure out what was going on in the world, you guys are like, man, this is a great time to start a company. Let's do it. And I love it because I think it just showcases once again what, partnerships and opportunities and, support and, just a great business idea and also just resiliency can actually make happen. So super excited to learn a little bit more. So I'm going to start things off firstly with Zainab. Zainab, I'd like to find out a little bit, why did you choose to partner with Hub350?
For sure. So we were actually pretty fortunate to be able to join the Canada North industry right off university, and partnering with Hub350 has allowed us to get introductions to amazing industry professionals around us that has supported our business. For example, we were able to do a test trial at the Marshalls Golf Course, which has really helped us perfection our technology from 5G to the winch, and in addition meet with our customers and get their feedback and validate the need for drone delivery in the golfing industry.
Fabulous. And so we went straight into golfing as well. And people are like, golfing industry, drones? How does that even actually work? So I don't want to act like everybody just knows what it is you guys do. So maybe Mo, explain to us just a little bit what Kirality drones do.
So Kirality drones leverage drone technology, so using autonomous drones to provide an autonomous delivery service to golf courses, like the Marshes right now where we did our trials. We completely automate the service for them. We provide golfers with a payment app and an order app, and we provide golf clubs with an order management app as well. And all together, we use the 5G modems that we have on the drones, talk together so that the service or the process is entirely automated. The drone picks up the order, delivers it to the golfer within 2 minutes and back. And you can deliver whatever you want: food, beverages, first aid kits, golf balls, etc. And sometimes a new golfer in your foursome, if you're not too happy, pick up the golfer, swap them out. So that was a
No, I love that. We were just talking about that prior to us doing this, and I think that they're like, that's a good idea.
Hey, new team member.
I think so. You know what? So we spoke briefly about your partnership with Hub350, but most specifically, it's the Living Lab Accelerator program, right? And how has that specifically impacted your business from when you kind of had the idea to where we are now, right?
Well, to be honest, it started off as a project. Wesley Glover approached the University of Ottawa saying we need a automated delivery service for our golf course. So we said we can probably do a proof of concept project for you at the Marshes. As we worked throughout that, we realized that this should probably be a company because we're providing a very unique solution to a problem. And Allspark and Hub350 came up and said, you guys should be a company, incorporate, and come to our accelerator and show us what you can do at the Living Lab Accelerator. So we said, okay. We incorporated, we developed this business, and through the Living Lab Accelerator, we were able to just work with the Marshes, get involved with the Canada Business Park itself, meet industry leaders, and it's impacted us significantly with being in the Living Lab Accelerator because it gave us resources that otherwise we would have never had.
Really, I'd say that the Living Lab Accelerator helped us transform from just a feasibility project into an operating business with the resources and the amazing mentorship that we had.
Yeah. And that's it, right? Like sometimes you just need to be surrounded by the right people, 100%. Right? And what do they say? There's no such thing as a bad idea. It's just the right time, right? Exactly. And then that's the most important thing, is having the right people at the right time with the right influence and the right guidance, right? Pointing in the right direction. So this is great because you guys clearly have the determination, right? And clearly have the smarts and of course the concept. So it's just putting all those pieces together. So it's wonderful to see that comes together. Now, what I'd love to know, and I'll start with you, Zainab, if you can give us an idea if, flying in golf clubs isn't futuristic enough already, where do you see the future of your company going?
I think we are able to bring new technology to industries that need it, whether we're adding more we're adding a luxury experience to the current golfing industry, or whether we're saving lives to people that are injured on a golf course, or whether even we're making someone's life easier and by adding resources that are automated to do things that are mundane tasks and that require a lot of resources and efforts. So I say that the future of our company is allowing people to have more fun and do everyday things in a more futuristic and less demanding resources.
Yeah, essentially in an efficient manner.
Yes. So would you like to add to that a little bit?
Yeah, I think, well, it's a wonderful answer. I think she really hit the nail on the head there. But I'd also want to add that our future is essentially also guaranteeing safety in situations where otherwise people would be put in danger. So using our technology or automated services, or even the proprietary hardware that we've built on the drones for other use cases that could be helpful in mitigating danger, whether it's inspecting or doing some work at very tall heights, or doing deliveries between ships, etc. Things that we can really leverage our technology for facilitating specific processes that otherwise would have been very complicated to do. So yeah,
that's wonderful. See, and it all started with delivering, a pair of let's say golf clubs, or even a brand new set of golf balls to someone, and here we are, saving lives and changing the world, and that's amazing. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Super excited to see where this business takes off to, no pun intended. But thank you very much for joining us here at the Digital Media Lab. Looking forward and seeing you back here at Hub350, and we look forward to having you guys back here more frequently.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.
Of course.